Welcome to another Bash Box video. So before we proceed, if any of these topics interests you and want to follow along, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon so that YouTube will send you a notification when I release a video. We just hit 2,000 subscribers. So once again, a big thank you for that. I really appreciate it. So if you're feeling generous, I greatly appreciate if you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It tells YouTube to share this video with other audiences. So if you do all that, I will greatly appreciate it. And before we jump into it, if you follow this channel you'll know what is going on in the cryptocurrency space, so hit the subscribe button. Without any further delays, let's get started. What is the future price for the Pi network? Pi network has finally hit 10 million active users and therefore the Pi network price is on the increase with estimates putting it as high as $65 despite the fact that the coin currently has no legitimate value before launch on the mainnet. Pi network live price. $0.8131 marketplace price. Between $1 and $100 the above price is updated daily where possible. Please note that this price is estimated because the Pi network price is officially $0 before the launch of the mainnet on an exchange. The app mines cryptocurrency on a day-to-day with users having to click a mine button once every 24 hours to prove they're human and active. Users also can refer their friends to mine faster on the network and therefore the more people that join means more Pi to eventually launch on the network. Hopeful LP pushing up the Pi network price on launch. Pi network price 2021. Estimated, with 2021 being Pi network's launch year, it's expected to urge its first official value in December 2021 and this is often estimated to be between $1 and $3 per coin. There is a true chance that Pi may be worth far more than this at launch with some users within the in-app marketplace trading at over $100 per coin. Moving into 2022. The Pi network price are going to be on the high alongside Bitcoin, which by now is predicted to be over the $100,000 mark and Pi's price could easily sit between the $7 to $10 mark. Pi network price 2023. Estimated. The estimated Pi network price in 2024 is extremely much an estimated guess and will be as high as between $25 and $45. By this point we so hold be watching the 100 million user mark and mining will have effectively stopped. Pi network price 2025. Estimated. If there's 1 year to seem it for excitement in cryptocurrency it's 2025, as Bitcoin is predicted to be hitting the $1 million mark at this point. The Pi network price in 2025 is additionally expected to hit record levels, and with some Pi now beginning to disappear, through people losing their devices it could easily achieve the $50 to $100 mark. Is the Pi network safe to join? The Pi network is 100% safe to join and it's also completely free. You merely download the Pi network mining app onto your mobile device, click the button once every 24 hours and that's it. If you would like to mine at a faster rate, you merely invite many of your close friends and family onto the platform using your invite code and start mining to form a profit within the coming year. How do I join the Pi network for free? Joining the Pi network can only be done by a private invite and you'll join for free of charge by clicking the link below. Once you're on the network and have started mining, you'll be ready to invite friends and check the status of your security circle which becomes active after 3 days of constant mining. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe and click on the bell icon for more interesting daily cryptocurrency predictions and updates. If you find this video helpful and interesting, kindly consider liking and sharing our videos with your friend. If you have any questions or contribution kindly drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. That will be all for now guys. I really appreciate you giving this a big thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys on the next video.